Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of opening a teen checking account with parental access. It's a great way to teach financial responsibility early on, and it's easier than you might think. First things first, do some research. Not all banks offer teen checking accounts, and the ones that do have varying features and fees. Look for accounts specifically designed for teens and pay close attention to things like monthly fees, minimum balance requirements, and overdraft policies. Websites that compare banking products can be really helpful here. Consider which bank you or your parents already use, as this can sometimes streamline the application process and provide benefits. Once you've chosen a bank, the next step is to gather the necessary documentation. Typically, you'll need your teen's social security number, date of birth, and a form of identification, like a school ID or birth certificate. The parent or guardian who will be on the account will also need to provide their social security number, a valid driver's license or other government-issued photo ID, and proof of address, such as a utility bill. It's best to check directly with the bank you've selected for their specific requirements, as these can vary. Now you're ready to actually apply for the account. Most banks allow you to start the application online, which can save time. You'll need to complete the online forms with all the information you gathered earlier. Remember to answer truthfully and double-check everything before submitting. Alternatively, you can visit a branch in person. This can be a good option if you have questions or prefer a more personal touch. If you apply in person, a bank representative will guide you through the application process. After submitting the application, the bank will typically conduct a verification process. This might involve checking your credit history, although for teen accounts, the parent's credit history is usually the more relevant factor. Be patient, as this process can take a few business days. The bank might contact you if they need additional information or clarification. Once the application is approved, you'll need to fund the account. Many banks require an initial deposit to activate the account. You can usually do this by transferring funds from an existing account, depositing cash, or writing a check. Be sure to ask about the minimum balance requirements, as falling below that amount could trigger fees. Finally, set up the parental access features. This is where the parent or guardian can monitor the account activity, set spending limits, and receive alerts. Each bank has a different way of managing parental controls, so explore the online banking platform or mobile app to understand the available options. This access allows you, as the parent, to guide your teen and discuss their spending habits, turning everyday transactions into learning opportunities. Congratulations, you've now successfully opened a teen checking account with parental access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.